Welcome to today's instructional video on solving the problem x squared minus 1. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to find the solution to this algebraic expression. So grab your pencil and paper, and let's get started. To solve the expression x squared minus 1, first recognize that it represents a difference of squares. The formula for the difference of squares states that a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Here, we can see x squared minus 1 as x squared minus 1 squared. By applying the difference of squares formula, we decompose x squared minus 1 into x plus 1 times x minus 1. This is step 1. In step 2, we substitute specific values for x to solve the factored expression. Choose a value for x. For instance, x equals 3. Substitute x equals 3 into the factored form x plus 1 times x minus 1. This gives us 3 plus 1 times 3 minus 1, which simplifies to 4 times 2. Therefore, the value of the expression when x equals 3 is 8. This step demonstrates how the factored form provides the same result as the original expression when specific values are substituted. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.